God, so why am I being punished for it?
Jacob.
Okay, son.
I want you in the dark, down to your low. I share this hurt with you, God only knows. I see you pacing back and forth each day, but blaming God when God took this pain away.
Stop. Just stop.
Jacob!
Stop. Where's my son? He had a long life ahead of him, and God just comes and takes him away from me?
What happened to you, Jacob?
Just stop with this nonsense.
You know I'm hurt too.
Then hurt with me. You too, Mom. It's your grandson.
Jacob! Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. It's all only knows. Just say you won't let go.
You know what? Forget you guys.
Jacob,
I'm out of here.
please.
Now, Coco, please come back. Come back.
Holy Father, please watch my son. The pain inside of him can't be undone. Please keep your healing hands upon his soul. Please don't let him walk this path all alone. The words he speaks aren't true. Lord, I lift him up to you. Please forgive him for he is lost. As these days pass us by, I pray here by his side. Please, Lord, bring him back unto you. Just say you won't let